Hello, beautiful person watching. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some extra crispy air fryer chicken wings. Let's jump right into the recipe. But before we do, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Benna. Thank you so much for watching. Please do consider taking a moment to hit that red subscribe button. Also like and share this video and turn on your notification bell because I do upload healthy, delicious air fryer recipes every week. Also make sure to check out my other air fryer recipes. I have a playlist that I've put together for you. Thank you so much. So we're going to start first by washing our chicken wings. I just have it in this bowl of water right here, and over here I have some pure white vinegar. I'm just going to pour some in the wings. I do wash my chickens, my fish, or my proteins with vinegar or lemon juice or lime juice, so it's very important that you really wash them down properly. I'll leave it in here for about 5 minutes so that it can really extract most of the, those good stuff we don't need, right? And then I'll come back and rinse it properly until the water is clear, and then we'll move to the next step. Our wings have been washed and I just lined them on my cutting board. What I did was I put some paper towel at the bottom of it, and then I'm using another paper towel. I'm just going to dry the wings thoroughly. You want to make sure that you do this step always when you're putting in any protein in the air fryer, because it's going to help with the crispness. So our wings have been dried thoroughly. I just have them sitting here, and we are going to start now by seasoning our wings. And in this bowl right here, I have some white corn flour. Now I'm using this brand. It's called Pan, P-A-N. I don't know if you can see that. We don't need that much of it. And next to that, I'm just going to go in with the rest of the ingredients, and we are going to mix everything up. So I have here some dried parsley. I'm going to do a little bit in there. And please make sure to check the description box. As always, I'm going to leave all the ingredients and their measurements as well. So I just went in with some smoked paprika. I love this stuff so much. Next, I'm going to go in with some paprika. Next, I'll go in with some roasted garlic. Next, I'll do some garlic powder. I'll go in with some Mrs. Dash seasoning. This is salt free. I'll just put some, little bit. That's good. Next, I'm going to do some cayenne pepper. Now, this is totally optional. I want my wings a little bit spicy. So if you don't want it, that's fine. You can leave it out. Next, I'll do some onion powder. And we'll do some salt. Always to taste, make sure you do your salt to taste. If you want to add some chicken seasoning to it, that's totally fine. Always make sure that you do you when it comes to your seasoning. I'm just going to mix everything to combine properly. And this is how it's looking. So I'll set this to the side. I'll bring our wings over. And I'm going to go in with about just like half to 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Again, I say that the olive oil just helps it to hold the seasoning properly. Next, I'll go in with some freshly cracked black pepper, and then I'll go in with our seasoning. I'm going to clean my hands. Make sure your hands are clean, and then I'll go in and I'll just mix everything to combine properly. We have our air fryer basket right here. I'm not going to spray any oil on it. And I'll just transfer the wings in there. This is how they're looking. See, they're sitting nicely on the basket. Each one has their own spot. I'm just going to toss it into the air fryer. I'm going to select the preset button that comes with my air fryer for chicken. It's 380 for 25 minutes. I am going to cook this for the first 15 minutes, and we are going to check it halfway to just flip it over. So I'll see you in 15 minutes. Our wings have been cooking for 15 minutes, and we will check right now. Just flip them over. This is how they're looking right now. They look really gorgeous. I'm just going to go in with my silicone spoon and I'll just flip them over. Okay, so our wings have been flipped over. I'm just going to put them back in there and I'll let them cook for the remainder of the 10 minutes, and I'll see you in 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, and let's check our wings, see how they're doing. Super crispy. Can't wait to just grab one. Oh my goodness, they look so gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also make sure to check out my other air fryer recipes. I have more than 30 recipes and tips that I've put together in a playlist. Make sure you check those and watch them as well. And you are welcome to have a wing and share with me in my kitchen. Until I come your way next time with something healthy, delicious in the air fryer, please continue to stay healthy, be well. Thank you. Bye.